Hey everybody, it's Lockout Lance. Wanted to talk to you about our new offering, the V500 Universal Valve Lockout device. Some big pluses with this is it's going to fit every kind of handle style out there on the valves, every kind of material, because you've got a rubberized coating on the inside here. The rotary nut where you can crank that down, get it secure on the lockout point, used in conjunction with the cable device, where you can tie off to a point and keep that valve secure so you don't have to worry about a miscue as far as a lockout where you're not going to have an accidental opening of the valve. Another huge plus with this is going to be a one-size-fits-all application. That way you can eliminate a lot of those unneeded valve devices that you've already got in your kit or would need to get. So this will cover them all. With the V500 device, you can eliminate purchasing all those extra valve devices because this is a true one-size-fits-all for your application.